Your girl Nissi is back. I am so sorry that it's been so long that since I've made a video. This is my special guest, Alicia.
Hi, friends.
I have been gone for so long. Finally, I am making a video. But today we're going to do Alicia's challenge. So Alicia, you explain the challenge.
Okay, so I have in this hat, I have 4 different eye styles, and it's like a smoky eye, halo eye, half cut crease, and like a full cut crease. And then in this hat, I just have 2, and one says like natural colors, and the other one is like dramatic, colorful colors. So each of us are going to choose one from each hat, and then we're going to make a tutorial and write it down for the other person to try it. And all right, you choose first.
All right, so first I'm going
to close your eyes.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you missed.
Ooh, I got a dramatic eye. I knew this was gonna happen.
So she's gonna have to choose all like unnatural. All colors are natural, but like choosing colors that like aren't natural colors, like your blues, your yellows, your reds. Okay, what's your style gonna be? Oh no, this is something that I'm gonna have to do. Okay. Half cut crease.
Okay, this is gonna be fun.
All right, so
these are both out of my comfort zone.
No. You're gonna be writing something for me to do. So this is what I'm gonna be doing, and you're gonna have to write me a tutorial on it.
Oh, you're doing this.
I'm doing this, and you're writing me a tutorial, and I can only follow your instructions by what you write on the page.
Okay. Well. All right, this will be very interesting. So,
right,
where's the book?
Obviously, I'm doing natural. She's gonna do natural colors, and I'm gonna do. What kind of style are you gonna have to do? Ooh, I don't think I spelled smooth. Your first instruction, and I'll read my first instruction.
Prime eyelids.
First, prime eyes with a concealer.
Prime eyelids. Okay, making sure I won't do my own thing.
Mine says first prime eyes with the concealer. Do we need to break back out the powder? Any powder.
Why? That's not what the instructions say.
I gotta put a powder. That's what I meant when I say prime. Okay. You put concealer on, and then you powder your concealer on your eyelids.
Well, you ain't say that.
Well, that's what I meant.
Sorry. Look, if I was
you ain't say that either.
I did. I said prime eyelids with concealer.
You ain't put powder on after you conceal it.
Well, then you don't do it then.
Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna be putting
your what's that? Your pencil? How'd you fall, Alicia? How'd you fall?
It was like it's like girl.
I ain't gonna help you up either.
This started tipping, right? And you know what? When something is. What's next? Okay. Use a dark red to apply.
Apply transition tone to upper crease. Should be a medium brown.
Drake. I really just fell out of the chair.
Apply darker color to crease.
Read the next line.
Okay.
Medium dark brown.
Yeah, I see that. Alicia.
I'm also taking red ochre from the Modern Renaissance palette and darkening it just a little bit because it's supposed to be a dark red apparently. My next instruction is to thin directly on the lid. Add a light pink.
Okay. Take black. This is not natural.
It's a smoky eye.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
So you're using browns and a black. I'm gonna take this pink or from the Morphe
black shadow or what?
Coal. So that's like cream eyeliner.
Okay. Apply along lash line. Okay. We're gonna get this tight little pencil one.
And blend out some of those harsh edges from the pink.
Did you say, hold on, a long lash line, not too thick. Okay. Is this too thick?
No, because you're gonna, well, I mean, you can do it a little bit thicker. That should be, because you're gonna blend that out. Apply orange on the outer side.
Okay.
This color from the orange, and apply it.
Take a brush used for medium dark, and take a brush. Okay.
And purple on the inner corner. So that's what we're putting on our inner corner. Should it be a sparkly purple? Does it not matter? Nisi's ignoring me.
What? What you said?
Purple. Should it be like a sparkly purple? Or is it like inner corner, or just inner lid?
I thought I did say sparkly purple.
And purple on the inner corner.
Yeah, sparkly purple.
Okay.
I'm gonna poke my eye. This is a nice little eye look, Alicia. Good job. Okay, take brush used for medium. Apply more black as needed until satisfied.
In my corner. I already did that, but I wanted to show you what I did. So my next direction is above the cut. I probably should have cut my eye. I didn't cut it.
I did tell you to cut it.
So I'm gonna right above the cut.
Apply more black. Apply a nude color shimmer to inner nude.
So that's like it says nude, but I mean like gold,
like this.
Yeah. So you can do like that. Do like that. Like if you want to mix like those two together, or one of them. So that was my next step, which was apply an orange color on the outer side of the lid and purple on the corner. Above my cut, I applied a little bit of a light orange, and then blend out the crease again with the red. I'm going to use an Morphe M513. I'm going to take a little bit of this red.
Apply black outer. Apply black to bottom lower lash. Okay.
So apply the red and then blend out lid with light pink.
I keep poking myself. Okay. Use a rosy.
Do some more blending.
Use a rosy blush. Use this one.
Yeah, use that one. Kind of, you can probably mix those two. Maybe the top one. Do the top one. But if it's too light, mix it in. Apply purple eyeshadow for the smudge under the eye. This is complicated. I'm going to use
a red lip liner. Pink color.
Apply a pink gloss, that's supposed to say.
This one?
Yeah, that's good.
This pink always makes me scared, but
oh, maybe too much. So bend that one in a little bit and then go back over with that other pink gloss, that other like nudish gloss. Apply cat eye liner on the lip.
So mascara? You didn't even tell me to put mascara on.
Oh crap.
I got Alicia looking like Galaxy Woman.
Okay, so I do next step. Who cares about mascara? Lashes on top, and I can get orange brush and bright pink lips. So I'm going back to my Morphe palette. I'm going to use this orange right here.
I finished before Alicia.
Well, you ain't have 12 different colors to do.
It's so dramatic. This is actually a really cute look, though.
It is. It actually is. And I tend to gravitate away from like purples and pinks and stuff, so I really like this.
But that's beautiful.
Bright pink lips. I don't have bright pink lipstick. I don't think I brought. I like to pretend I'm Rihanna with the sharper Cupid's bow than I have, but oh.
Nobody see it. And it matches your nails, girl. I look good. You look like somebody's Jersey mama.
I was going to the store, and so I bought some Cheetos and some knickknacks and stuff. And then, that's not even Jersey accent, but it's okay, because you know Jim Tan's laundry. I only watch Jersey Shore. That's my only impression of Jersey people I have. I apologize. And my coworkers, but she's really nice. She did the walls and the suns and the stuff. I just don't know. Now I'm talking in a British accent, but yeah, it's fine. Okay, so these were our final looks. Let me see.
Yummy. Yummy.
I think you did a good smoky eye.
I like that matte lip.
I don't know.
The wing looks really good.
Don't look at this one. No one look at that
Our
one.
eyebrows are trash, but anyway.
Our eyebrows are absolutely trash.
This looks really good. I like it. I really love the orange blush.
It is really pretty. I think we did really good.
I think I really like the look. I don't like the nude glitter in the middle.
You don't?
I don't feel. I'm
You're
not feeling
feeling
that. It makes
I
it look
really
like
like
it makes
this.
it look like it kind of cut off. I think.
Next time, I think I would cut that crease a little sharper and probably use a concealer to cut that crease.
I think that I might.
I also think I need lashes.
I need lashes.
We're not going anywhere.
This look would look a lot better with lashes and some mascara at the bottom. But this look is really popping. Like,
hey guys, thanks for having me, Nissi. Did I ever
You're
say
welcome.
my name? My name is Alicia.
This is Alicia's.
Oh my goodness, I'm gonna change my Twitter name to. Why did I never do? Oh wait, I feel like I have to do this to get the full look. My phone.
Yes, sir.